Hello friends, Satish Tiwari here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Slashu.in. So today I am going to show you if you want to send high quality picture through WhatsApp. Okay, so if you want to don't want to compromise with the quality of your pictures which you are sending through the WhatsApp. You just have to notice one settings inside the WhatsApp. Just open the WhatsApp. Okay, once you open the WhatsApp, you just go to the top right hand side. You can see the three dot, click there, then click on settings, and in the setting you can see a option storage and data. Just click there on the storage and data, and here you will see at the last, just look at the bottom, you will see photo upload quality. So just click on that option, and when you click on that option you will see three options here: auto, best quality, data saver. By default it is auto. Okay, by default it will be auto, but if you don't want to compromise with the quality of the pictures you are sending or you are sharing through the WhatsApp, just select the second option, that is the best quality. And if you select the second option, the best quality, then and you click OK, now every time you want to send the data through your WhatsApp chat, your pictures quality will be awesome. It will be not compromised. You will be able to send high quality pictures through WhatsApp now. Okay, so I hope it will help you, and if you have any question regarding this, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.